Yeah, so here's the, yeah, he's just starting to hearten up there. A bit late in the season for that, but this is what I really wanted to show you. Now, if we look at the bottom here, you can see it's just one stem, so it should be one cabbage. However, what we have here, it's heartening up there. That's a nice solid head there, and we have another one there, so that's two. We have another one here, that's three, and yes, by the looks of it, fourth one there. So 4 definite heads on that cabbage. Now, if any of you out there can tell me how that has happened, and if you've seen it yourself before, because I certainly haven't. The cabbage doesn't look particularly healthy by any stretch. So yeah, comment below or point me in the right direction as to what's happened with him. So yeah, on that note, I'll catch you later.